Alrighty, look. Towards you. Up. Forward. Down. My two gunners, 2 buttons on your side. One for your makeup, one for your torpedo. Engineer, press all the plastic buttons. Please take off all bags first to the main bag. Please, guys, off bags, off bags, off. You can run big good.
Got this way. This way, guys.
Yeah, good luck, good luck. Like,
oh, they go. My bad. You gotta go all the way down this way.
we're just gonna make you, no, you're going back that way. Just keep going, man. U-turn. All around the circle. Alright, my two gunners, my two engineers, get a little closer. I don't play, let's smell a little bit. How's we looking for? Yeah, so you know who to blame when the ship crashes?
That one.
Perfect. You guys want to run down the controls? You guys good? Confident? So confident you take 11 on ship? Do you know what you agreed to? Perfect. More money for me. Never see us with Smuggler. Take off all bags versus the main bag, please. Bags up, bags up, bags up. With more for the extension. Flight. Once you get in the cockpit, please take your seat and get your seatbelt on as fast as possible.
What? Oh, you're on the pilot now? Alright.
It's okay if you crash, you won't be seen doing it. Right this way?
Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of yet. Just kidding. Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent! You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along with you.
Time to hurry, bags off, seatbelts on.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Pilots at your feet and buckle up, seatbelts. Pilots, pull on your yellow straps. Perfect. Gunners, turn, pull. Perfect. Engineer. Perfect. Press anything that lights up and may the floor be with us. Don't break it.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Watch it.
I can't know that, man.
This thing will get you. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there's the train. Come, up. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Take them now, gunners. Shoot the cargo free. Pilot brakes. My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Let's shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. The cargo's bring, keep shooting. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We did not die. Let's get out of here.
I was over for a
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
We did better than that.
Oh wow.
Great, but I mean, last time. Scarlet was the pilot.
Eli was pilot.
Was he the pilot?
Eli was the pilot. I was
Time for you to go.